Hello everyone. In this section, we have to discuss the another shortcut methods of differentiation. In this section, we have to learn some more shortcut methods to solve the differentiation easily. So that is the method 3. In part 1, we discussed two methods, that is method 1 and method 2. Now this is the method 3. So in method 3, so if y is equal to m power n, the differentiation function is in the form of m power n. Then the differentiation of this is equal to y dash is equal to m power n. So here m is the function and n is the another function. So m power n of n by m into m dash plus n dash into log m. This is the shortcut method to solve the y is equal to m power n. So here m is a function and n is also the function. So that is differentiation of this m power n is the m power n into n by m, and differentiation of m dash means differentiation of m plus n dash means differentiation of n into log m. So by applying this shortcut method, we can easily get the answer whenever the form is m power n. So let us see some examples regarding this concept. Friends, now see the first problem of this concept. Y is equal to sin x whole to the power of x plus cos x whole to the power of tan x. So by here, this is in the form of y is equal to m power n. So here m is sin x and n is x. So plus again this is in the form of m power n. Here m is the cos x and n is the tan x. By applying the shortcut method, that is whenever the y function is in the form of m power n, the shortcut technique is m power n of n by m into m dash plus n dash of log m. So here also the differentiation of y is y dash, that is equal to m power n. So sin x whole to the power of x of m dash n by m. So x by sin x m dash. So d by dx of sin x is becomes the cos x plus n dash. D by dx of x is the 1 log m, that is the log sin x, plus and the remaining term is cos x whole to the power of tan x. Here m is the cos x and n is the tan x. So cos x whole to the power of tan x of n by m, tan x by cos x into m dash. D by dx of cos x is the minus sin x plus n dash. D by dx of tan x is the secant square x log cos x. So this is the answer for y. Y is equal to sin x whole to the power of x plus cos x whole to the power of tan x. So by simply applying this shortcut method, within a single step we get the answer for that question. So next see the second question. Y is equal to sin x whole to the power of log x plus x of x to the power of 1 by x. Here also we are using the same technique, that is y dash is equal to here sin x m power n, sin x whole to the power of log x of n by m, that is log x by sin x into m dash. D by dx of sin x is the cos x plus n dash. D by dx of log x is the 1 by x and again log m, that is log sin x. This is the first term shortcut method. Now go to the second term, x whole to the power of 1 by x. So m power n, that is x by x to the power of 1 by x, n by m. So 1 by x by x and d by dx of x, that is 1 plus n dash. D by dx of 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 by x means minus 1 by x square log m. So log x. So this is the final answer for this questions too. Now see the another question, y is equal to x to the power of x square minus 3 plus x minus 3 whole x minus 3 whole to the power of x square. Here also we are going to applying the same technique. Y dash is equal to x to the power of x square minus 3. So n by m, that is x square minus 3 by x into m dash. So m dash d by dx of x is the 1 plus n dash. So d by dx of x square minus 3 is becomes 2x. Because of minus 3 is constant, that is equal to differentiation of constant is equal to 0. So into log m, that is log x. This is the first term evaluation. So plus x minus 3 whole to the power of x square. So x square by x minus 3 into d by dx of x minus 3, that is 1 plus d by dx of x square, that is 2x log x minus 3. That's it. So for your practice, this is the question for you. Y is equal to x into cos x whole to the power of x. And these are the options for this question. Option A, option B and option C. So try to get the answer for this question and mention your answer in the comment box. So in our WhatsApp group, there are nearly 50 above members are participated. So most of the people are not giving the answer in the comment box. In last class, I just got only 2 to 3 answers from you. So try to give the answer in each and every person. Thank you everyone. So guys, this is the method 4. So here this method is a little bit confused. So you no need to confuse. So I can explain very clearly. So whenever the function y is equal to square root of these terms, it's a combination of 3 different terms. Here square root of 1 minus x square is the one of the term, 2x minus 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2 is the another term, x square plus 2 whole to the power of 2 by 3 is the another term. It's a combination of 2 or more terms. Now we have to simplify this differentiation by using this shortcut method 4. So we have to take each and every term individually. First of all, I can explain here the each and every term must be the whole to the x power m in the form of x power m. So here the first term is in the form of x power m, of course, because of square root of 1 minus x square, that is rewrite as a 1 minus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Here m is the 1 by 2. Here also this is the term. Here this is in the form of x power m. Here m is the 1 by 2. Here also it is the x power m. Here m is the 2 by 3. Whenever each and every term in the form of x power m, this method is applicable. So we can take individual terms. That is, first of all, I have to explain square root of 1 minus x square term. So for this, that is y dash is equal to differentiation of y dash is equal to y into, so the first term is whole to the power of 1 by 2, 1 minus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2. So this becomes the differentiation of this one is x power m is 1 by 2. I am explained to this term square root of 1 minus x square, that is x 1 minus x whole to the power of 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, the power term is taking as a coefficient 1 by 2 into 1 by f of x into f dash of x. So here f of x is the 1 minus x and taking differentiation of 1 minus x, that is f dash of x. So writing the each and every term in this format. So the power values become the coefficient and as well as 1 by the given function and differentiation of this function. Product of differentiation of this function. So we have to take each and every term like this format. So for the numerator, the power value coefficient is the plus. For denominator, the power value becomes the negative sign. So let us see very clearly. The first term is, so y dash is equal to y into is common for each and every problem. So the first term is square root of 1 minus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2. That's why the power value of this term is 1 by 2. So taking as a coefficient 1 by 2 into 1 by f of x, that is equal to, so that means 1 by here f of x is the 1 minus x square into differentiation of f of x. So differentiation of 1 minus x square is becomes the minus 2x. So this is the completion of the first term. Now go to the second term. So the second term is the power value is 1 by 2. I am saying I said that if the numerator terms we can arrange in a sequential form. So the power coefficient value is the positive sign. If the denominator term, the power coefficients are negative signs. So that's why I'm indicating as a plus. So the power value is 1 by 2 into 1 by f of x. What is f of x here? 2x minus 3. And differentiation of f of x. What is the differentiation of 2x? That is the 2. So minus 3 is constant, that is also 0. So this is the second term evaluation. Now go to the denominator terms. So coming to the denominators, so the coefficient, the power coefficient is 2 by 3. So it taking in front of the function. So 2 by 3 is a minus 2 by 3 because of it is a denominator. So the power value of the coefficient is minus 2 by 3 into, so the function value 1 by x square plus 2 into the differentiation of x square, that is 2x. So plus 2 constant is become 0. So this is the equation and final answer for this differentiation of y. I hope you understand. Now see the another examples. We can easily clearly observe the process of this shortcut method 4. Now see the another problem, that is x square minus 1 whole to the power of 3 into 2x minus 1 whole to the power of 1 square root of x minus 3 into 4x minus 1. So we have to consider this numerator terms and denominator terms individually. So first of all, the individual term is x square minus 1 whole to the power of 3. So simply this is taken as a y. This is equal to y. Then y dash is equal to y into, the first term is the power value 3. So 3 into the function value is x square minus 1. So that's why it is written as a 1 by x square minus 1. Now into differentiation of this function. So differentiation of x square is 2x. So this is the first term evaluation. Now go to the second term. So the power value is the 1. That's why here it is 1 into 1 by the function value 2x minus 1 and the differentiation of 2x is 2. So the numerator terms are completed. Now go to the denominator. Whenever we are going to denominator, it is indicated as a minus. For numerator, it is indicated as a plus. So here this total term is a single term, that is the square root of x minus 3 of into 4x minus 1. So that's why I am going to write whole to the power of 1 by 2 of x minus 3, that is 1 by x minus 3, differentiation of x minus 3 1 plus, so 1 by 4x minus 1. So I am writing here like this, 1 by 4x minus 1 into differentiation of 4x is becomes 4. So this is the answer for this question. Now go to the another question. Y is equal to root x into x plus 4 whole to the power of 3 by 2 upon 4x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 by 3. Here also same process, that is y dash is equal to root x. So root x means x to the power of 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the coefficient term into 1 by x, differentiation of 1 by x is the 1 plus second numerator term is x plus 4 whole to the power of 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is the power value, it becomes the coefficient into 1 by x plus 4 the function value, differentiation of x plus 4 is becomes 1 d by dx of x is the 1 and 4 is the constant, that becomes 0. So and the remaining term is here, it is the y into denominator minus, so the power value is 4 by 3, so it becomes the coefficient 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. So and the function value is 4x minus 3, so into 1 by 4x minus 3, differentiation of 4x is 4 and minus 3 is the constant and it becomes 0. So this is the final answer for this question. Now see the another questions regarding this concept. So now see the next question. Y is equal to e power x into secant x log x by square root of 1 minus 2x. Now each and every term is the different term. So we can individual terms are e power x, secant x and log x are the and 1 square root of 1 minus 2x are the individual terms. There are 4 individual terms in the y. So we have to take a power values e power x whole to the power of 1, secant x whole to the power of 1, log x whole to the power of 1. So no need to take square root of 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 1 because of it is becomes a 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2 because of square root. Now evaluate the fourth problem, that is y dash is equal to y into, so e power x, the power value is the 1. So in all the numerator terms the power value is the 1. So that's why the coefficient values of all these are 1. So finally 1 by e power x, differentiation of e power x is again e power x into a plus secant x. 1 by secant x. Differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x plus 1 by log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Now go to the denominator side. The denominator is to be mentioned in the minus. Minus whole to the power of 1 by 2. Square root is written as a whole to the power of 1 by 2. So the power value is 1 by 2. That's why it becomes a coefficient, that is minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 minus 2x, this is the function value, and differentiation of 1 minus 2x is minus 2. That's it. And this is the problem for you for your practice. So do practice at your home and give the answer on the comment box, and as well as give the whatever the time you taken to solve this question. So thank you everyone. So meet you soon. Bye.